Hi, in this video here, me and Dwight is out back doing the backyard. My plans for this backyard in this area here is to mulch this area and to cover up the daylilies that comes back every year. Okay, in this part of the video, Dwight is figuring out this weed barrier, how we're going to lay it down because it's not laying flat. So I told him that he needs to get the trimmer so he can cut these daylilies down even farther than where there are, so we can be able to lay these this weed barrier down. So here we are, trying to make it work, but it's for some apparent reason it's not happening. Okay, as you all can see, when the daylilies were cut down, so this is pretty much what it's looking like now. And the wheelbarrow is laying flat on the ground. Okay guys, my battery is getting low on my phone, so this is pretty much what everything is looking like right about now. So we got the mulch laid, and it looks real neat and clean. So this is pretty much what I was aiming for. So the white is going to finish up that last little portion that is left, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
You want it off?
Okay, this is day 2. So what I'm about to do is plant this topiary inside of this planter here. I added a pot so it can add height to the plant. So what I'm going to do is put artificial flowers in, and also a couple of marigolds behind the topiary in this planter. Okay, here is where I am adding the marigolds to the back part of the planter, and then I would be putting the artificial in front of the planter. Okay, guys, this is what the containers are looking like. I got the artificial flowers in the front, and I also got the live plants in the back of the planter. So this is pretty much what everything is looking like. So stay tuned for the next project.